Law of Independent Assortment. Aim: to verify the law of independent assortment. Materials required: 4 beakers, 64 yellow beads, 64 green beads, 64 red beads, 64 white beads, pencil, hand towel. Procedure: take 4 beakers individually with 64 numbers of yellow, green, red and white beads. Take a pencil and stir all the beads individually. Take a hand towel, spread it on the middle of the table. Place the red and yellow beads on the left side and place the white and green beads on the right side of the table. Consider the red and yellow beads as dominant flowers and seeds, whereas the white and green beads as recessive flowers and seeds. Take the red bead and place it on the towel, and take the white bead and place it near the red. Take the yellow bead and place it nearby the white, and take the green bead, place it nearby the yellow. Arrange all the beads on the towel. The arranged beads represented as F1 generation. Take 4 empty beakers. Place the 2 of the beakers on the left side of the towel and place another 2 beakers on the right side. Now take the first 32 set of red-white beads and put it on the left side beaker and labeled as beaker 1 that represented female F1. Take the first 32 set of yellow-green beads and put it on another beaker placed on the left side and label it as beaker 3 female F1. Now take another 32 set of red-white beads, put it on the right side beaker and label as beaker 2 male F1. Take the other 32 set of yellow-green beads, put it in another beaker, place on the right side and label it as beaker 4 male F1. Stir the beads individually with a pencil. Keep your eyes closed. Now take a bead from beaker 1 female F1 and place it on the towel. Take another bead from beaker 2 male F1, place it together and take a bead from beaker 3 female F1 and take a bead from beaker 4 male F1 and place it with the other pair. Arrange all the pairs by taking the beads randomly. Repeat the steps 2 to 3 times and tabulate all the obtained results. Observation: the above experiment demonstrates the law of independent assortment based on Mendel's research work. He explained that the 2 sets of traits of a dihybrid cross were segregated and one pair of characters was independent of the other. The law of independent assortment delivers that the alleles do not influence each other during the development of cell reproduction. Based on the Punnett square, the segregation happens as the F1 progeny of the dominant RY and recessive RY were self-pollinated to produce the F2 offspring independently. He used the genotypic symbol of capital Y, represents dominant yellow seed color, and small y represents recessive green seed color, and capital R represents round-shaped seed color, and small r represents wrinkled seed shape, and observed the results of the parental trait of dominant RRYY and recessive RRYY. He proposed that 50% of the dominant R and the 50% of the recessive R independently segregated with the 50% of the dominant Y and the 50% of the recessive Y. So the 4 types of 25% characters or the 1/4 of the characters were present in each dominant R, dominant Y, dominant R, recessive Y, and recessive R, recessive Y, recessive R, dominant Y.